Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the freshest, most in-depth car reviews to help you make the right decision before your next big ride. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most loved compact SUVs on the market. Now, refreshed and ready for 2026, the Toyota RAV4. With Toyota's signature blend of reliability, practicality, and evolving style, this new model promises to elevate your everyday drive. So let's buckle up and dive right into what the 2026 RAV4 brings to the road. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 kicks things off with a bold front fascia. Toyota has redesigned the grille slightly, giving it a wider stance that emphasizes a stronger presence on the road. The LED headlights are sharper, more sculpted, and now come with adaptive technology as standard in most trims. The lower bumper features a new air intake layout, flanked by angular fog light housings that look both modern and functional. The updated hood design also adds some extra character with its more muscular creases, enhancing that rugged yet urban vibe the RAV4 has come to represent. From the side profile, the RAV4 maintains its athletic posture with just the right amount of SUV boldness. You'll notice cleaner lines, a slightly more refined fender shape, and an updated selection of alloy wheel designs that range from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim. The roof rails remain sturdy and practical, but with a new matte finish that complements the RAV4's adventure-ready look. One subtle but impactful change is the integration of sleeker side mirrors with improved aerodynamics and built-in turn signals. The silhouette remains instantly recognizable, but more polished and premium. Around back, Toyota has gone for a cleaner, more minimalist look. The taillights now feature a slimmer, more continuous LED signature that wraps into the tailgate, giving the rear a more cohesive appearance. The bumper is now slightly more angular, and depending on the trim, you might get a blacked-out lower section with silver or matte gray accents for a more aggressive finish. The rear spoiler has been tweaked just a bit for aerodynamic benefit and style. Altogether, the rear end of the RAV4 looks both mature and ready for anything. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 RAV4 continues to impress. Toyota has focused on refinement, comfort, and tech enhancements. The materials across the dashboard and door panels now feature more soft-touch elements, contrast stitching, and even some optional wood or brushed aluminum accents, depending on the trim level. The centerpiece is the upgraded 12.3-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with an intuitive and snappy interface. Below it sits the new climate control layout, which is now cleaner and more tactile. The driver's cockpit is a joy, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster offers customizable views, from navigation to trip info. The steering wheel has a thicker, leather-wrapped feel with multifunction buttons that are more responsive than ever. The seats, absolutely a step up, available in fabric, Softex, or genuine leather, with both heating and ventilation options, depending on your trim. Rear passengers get ample legroom, reclining seatbacks, and rear air vents, plus more USB-C ports scattered throughout the cabin to keep everyone charged on the go. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 continues to offer a mix of powertrain options to suit a variety of drivers. You can go for the dependable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which still delivers a solid 203 horsepower and smooth ride quality. For those who prefer efficiency without sacrificing performance, the RAV4 Hybrid is an excellent choice, offering a combined output of 219 horsepower and outstanding fuel economy, up to 41 mpg in the E-City. And if you want something even bolder, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid returns with over 300 horsepower and an impressive electric-only range of about 42 miles, making it one of the quickest RAV4s ever. Toyota's TNGA platform continues to deliver a well-balanced driving experience, stable, composed, and comfortable, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight urban streets. The 2026 model feels quieter too, thanks to improved sound insulation and revised suspension tuning that smooths out most road imperfections. And yes, all-wheel drive is still available, especially useful for drivers dealing with snow, rain, or those weekend trail adventures. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 RAV4 lineup starts at around $30,000 for the base LE trim, which already includes a solid package of safety tech and infotainment features. The mid-range XLE and XSE trims climb into the $33,000 to $38,000 range, offering more premium touches and better tech integration. If you're going hybrid, expect to start around $33,000, while the RAV4 Prime comes in at the higher end, closer to $43,000 to $47,000 depending on features and packages. Still, for what you get in reliability, capability, and efficiency, the RAV4 remains a strong value proposition in its segment. If you're considering a new compact SUV in 2026, the RAV4 should absolutely be on your radar. It's not trying to be the flashiest or most luxurious, but it hits all the right notes. Practical space, great efficiency, proven reliability, and a design that's matured into something quite stylish. Whether you're a commuter, a small family, or someone who just wants an SUV that can handle city life and the occasional off-road trip, the RAV4 delivers. If I had to make one suggestion, it would be for Toyota to continue improving the infotainment. System's voice command features. They're good, but not quite best in class yet. Another wish would be more trim-specific customization, just to give buyers a bit more personality in their configuration. But aside from those small points, Toyota has done an excellent job keeping the RAV4 competitive and compelling for another model year. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, subscribe for more weekly car content, and drop a comment to let us know what you think of this updated RAV4. Would you go for the standard model, the hybrid, or the powerful Prime? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another ride worth talking about. Drive safe!